Is it possible to install Roblox on Nintendo Switch? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on whether you are able to install Roblox on Nintendo Switch or not. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you are curious to know that can you install Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, then the simple answer is no. That game has not been made available in the eShop, and so we have to wait maybe another year or two and see if Roblox are going to consider adding that game to the eShop in Nintendo Switch. But as of now, we don't have that game on the Switch, so you are not able to install Roblox on the Nintendo Switch, and you have to have patience to that game to become and added on the eShop of Nintendo Switch. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe for more tech and tips.